Come on, we're running out of time.
Ah! Trolls, a goblin, and now jesters. What's my life coming to?
Excuse me, Mr. Jester. Do you know how to get to Lady Lovelace's time machine?
I do indeed, but we're very busy right now.
We're due at the castle to audition for the king, but we don't know if he's short or tall.
What difference does that make?
Well, we don't want to insult him, so we want to send someone who's not too tall and not too short.
But we don't know which one of us that is.
If we help you, will you tell us how to get to the time machine?
It's a deal.
How can we possibly measure how tall these guys are? They're jumping all over the place.
Didge is right. It'll take forever.
Time out. We should be able to find the middle, just like we did with the rocks and the warts.
I've got an idea. Let's line them up from shortest to tallest.
Okay, you jokers, line up. No. Line up side by side so the clown on your right is shorter than you are and the clown on your left is taller.
Cool, they lined up just like we lined up the numbers before.
Okay, but remember, the best jester to meet the king is the one of middle height.
Find the one that stands for all.
How do we do that?
Well, the middle splits things in half, right? So there should be the same number of short guys on one side as there are tall guys on the other.
Let's simplify. Let's take the guys on the ends away since they can't be the middle jester.
Okay, you two on the ends. Recess!
Let's do the same thing again.
Off with the end jesters!
Sorry, end jesters. Bye-bye.
One more time.
We did it! The guy on one side is shorter, the guy on the other side is taller. We found our middle jester.
Jester of middle height, you are going to meet the king.
Thank you for your help. The time machine is just over that hill.
Oh, Marbles. I was so close to a cure for Motherboard, and now we're about to be lost in time.
Don't despair, my lady. The children haven't failed us yet.
Dr. Marble!
Lady Ada!
We're here.
Quickly, the computer, under the door.
Found it.
Type in the stop code. 1 like the sun, 3 like the sea, 4 like the moor, and 2 like the dew.
Excuse me, but could you please just give me the numbers?
Sorry, the poetry thing just happens. 1, 3, 4, 2.
Hurry!
Well done, Cybermates. You stopped time just in time.
You must have used my poem to get here.
Yes, well, about that. Your poem was helpful.
And extremely well written.
But next time, maybe you could just leave a note with directions.
There they are!
Get him!
Duck!
Ah!
Quickly, close the door. Have a nice trip. Don't forget to ride.
Won't you come back with us, my dear?
I'm afraid that's impossible. But tell Motherboard I'll continue to work on a cure. It was wonderful to see you again, old chum.
Ick! I am so out of here.
Bye-bye, Lady L.
So long!
Until we meet again, my lady.
You look absolutely fabulous, Hacky. With my help, you could be twice the tyrant you are now. Oh.
Maybe even thrice, my lovely, talented witchy boo. Shall we dance?
Stop the music, hacker!
Oh, boy!
I thought you'd like to know that Lady Lovelace and Dr. Marbles are safe and sound.
What?
Happy Valentine's Day, hacker.
You tricked me, you cyber sneak! You're probably working with Motherboard.
Oh, this is the last time you insult me, you puff up pipsqueak!
Wicket, don't leave me like this. I take it back. Buzz, delete. Where are you?
Save us!
Gee, Dr. Marbles and Lady L really like each other.
What's this, Matt?
Hey,
To Nezzy and Jax, roses are red, violets are blue. A guy couldn't have better friends than you. Happy Valentine's Day, Matt. Oh, that is so sweet.
And we thought you hated Valentine's Day.
Watch your favorite shows anytime on the PBS Kids video app.